Hi, my name's Adam. I'm the owner of K20 Auto Repair and Performance here in Holly Springs, North Carolina. I've been with Autoshop Solutions since about July of last year, and it's been a game changer. Seeing the reviews on the Autoshop Owners Group from Facebook, you guys had rave reviews, so I figured let's give it a shot. Started out on the low end and kind of went from there, and I was shocked at how many customers it brought, and as well as reviews, and just and because we're kind of a little bit set back off the highway, so you don't see us, you don't see the shop just driving by. You have to know we're here, and just the amount of customers and phone calls we get. I've had to add 2 employees, and we're expanding at the end of this year, and we've only been in this location for 1 year, and it's just changed the business completely from pretty much being no-name little mom and pop place to having over 100 Google reviews, and just the name spread. And I've had cars towed here from other states to get worked on. So it's really just been a life changer for my family and my guys here. Partnering with Autoshop Solutions, if you want to take your auto shop to the next level, they're definitely ones that you want to contact. From the marketing to the website, I knew it was going to be good. I didn't think it was going to be this good. And the fact that there's so many options. If you think you're getting too many customers, you could take it down a notch. You think you're not getting enough, you could up it a little bit. It's just the flexibility is so there. They're really transparent. Like I said, I didn't think it was gonna be this good, but I could recommend it to anyone wanting to take their shop to the next level.